In today's video, I'll show you 3 hidden home screen settings you should definitely know if you're using a Samsung Galaxy device. These features can help you customize your home screen, improve usability, and make your phone feel more premium. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Lock home screen layout. First, go to your home screen and press and hold on any empty space. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and you'll find Lock Home Screen Layout. Turn this option on. What does this do? It prevents apps and widgets from being accidentally moved or removed. For example, if you try to move or delete an app, you'll see a message saying the layout is locked. This is super useful if you've already set up your home screen the way you like it and don't want anything to change. 2. Swipe down for the notification panel. Next, let's make accessing notifications easier. Normally, you have to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. But here's a shortcut. Again, long press on the home screen and go to Settings. Scroll down and enable Swipe Down for Notification Panel. Now, you can simply swipe down anywhere on the home screen to open your notifications. It's faster and much more convenient, especially on larger screens. 3. Hide app labels on home screen. And finally, if you want a cleaner, minimalist look, go back to home screen settings. Find the option Show App Labels on Home Screen or App Icon Labels. Turn it off. This will remove the names under app icons and widgets, giving your home screen a clean and modern look. So those are 3 hidden home screen settings you should definitely try on your Samsung Galaxy device. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite. And that's it for today's video.